Nicole and I arrived in Salt Lake City, Utah last night at about 3 o'clock in the morning, and we are now going to find a charging station.
That was so cool. We just stopped at Zorn's Brew.
This particular charger is unavailable.
Unlocked twice. I just heard it make a noise and it pops right out.
So yesterday we stopped at Office Depot. Cole found this little llama. For all the moms out there, Cole's mom absolutely loves llamas. Where are you going?
That's the edge. I don't want to hike all day.
So this is the route that we're on. Spanish Fork down to Price. And we are heading down through here. We might need to charge there in order to get down to Moab, and then from Moab tomorrow we'll head up this direction towards Denver.